guys, welcome back to another weight loss vlog. So you guys are probably wondering where the heck I've been. I haven't put up a weight loss vlog since the last one that I said that I was bringing them back. I have footage. We had one good week, then we had a bad week, and then I just totally fell off. And I know I've told you guys before, like, yeah, I've fallen off the wagon, but this time it was like from Halloween till Sunday. That was yesterday. Today is Monday, November 5th. So I took a little break from keto. I took like a sabbatical, if you will. And I was just eating whatever I wanted. I don't know, I was just having a couple of off weeks. Like one of the weeks was really good. We lost 2 pounds and I just didn't have time to edit it. So I was gonna merge it into the other week. And then that other week I gained a pound. So I was super discouraged and disappointed with myself. And it was honestly my fault because I cheated on the weekend really bad and I wasn't doing good. It was my fault. And I was just, I don't know, like I was just kind of in a funk. I wasn't really uploading any beauty videos. I haven't been uploading any beauty videos like as I'm filming this right now. So I was just like, really in a funk. I had like some other stuff going on that I had to do and I don't know, I was really off. So Halloween came around and that just totally threw me off. I had pizza that night. I ate candy and from then on, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take a break. I need a break for my mentality. I just need a keto break. So I basically ate what I wanted. Yesterday, I went to a Japanese buffet that was freaking delicious. I had a huge plate of every kind of sushi you could think of. Then I had some noodles and some Mongolian beef. I just freaking ate what I wanted. And at night, I went and I had Taco Bell. But I told myself, if I'm going to do this huge break and eat whatever I want, we're going to start up on Monday and we are going to be doing good and eating good up until Thanksgiving, because you know that on Thanksgiving I'm gonna want to eat a slice of pumpkin pie. I'm gonna want to eat biscuits. I'm gonna want to eat stuffing. Like I'm not gonna just hold myself back on Thanksgiving. Like I want to enjoy it. So I told myself we are gonna do a keto crunch time, a Thanksgiving keto dash, as Caesar calls it. So I'm gonna do my best to just eat really good. I'm gonna try and go on walks. I'm just gonna do better, basically. All of November up until Thanksgiving. Obviously, we could cheat on Thanksgiving and then we will pick it back up because, like I said before in my past vlogs, like this is a lifestyle for me. So I needed a break and that is why I have been gone this whole time. But today's Monday, today's November 5th. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna weigh myself. So I'm gonna show you guys it was like what, 5 days? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 5 days of just eating pure garbage, basically. And I was feeling so bad, guys. Like, you don't understand. Like, I felt like shit eating all of the things that I was eating. Like, I felt so bad. So I'm gonna weigh myself. I'm gonna see, like, and I don't want to do this because I hate weighing myself. And I didn't weigh myself this last Friday because I knew that I was just doing really bad. So I'm gonna weigh myself today, see what the consequences are. And then we are gonna weigh ourselves Friday like we usually do and see if we were able to lose anything that we gained or whatever the case is. So let's go and weigh ourselves and I hope you're right back. So I'm super disappointed. The scale says 164. 164 is, my lowest weight has been 157. So 58, 159, 160, 61, 62, 63, 64. 7 pounds. I basically gained 6 to 7 pounds because the week before I hadn't weighed myself, I was 158, which is when I went up that 1 pound. So I'm about 6 to 7 pounds heavier than I was. So that is horrible and we are gonna do better. So today I am gonna go have breakfast with my mom because it is my mom's birthday. So we're gonna go to IHOP and I'm probably gonna have just like an omelet with some ham or something, you know, something keto friendly. And I'm gonna make my coffee at home so I don't drink any coffee over there. And that's how we're gonna start off our day. And we're gonna get a walk in and we're just gonna get our lives together, guys, because this is really bad. Like, we don't want to digress. We want progress. We want to move forward. So that's what we're gonna do. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. It is election day. By the time you guys are seeing this, election day has already passed. So I really hope So I really hope that you guys went out and voted, and you guys did your research and voted for whatever candidate, amendment, whatever you believed in, and you didn't let anybody sway your decision. So I really hope that that happens for you guys on this election day Tuesday. So with that being said, I just had some breakfast. Arya just wants to steal the camera. Shushi, this is not your vlog. This is not your vlog. So I just had some breakfast. I had this little Jimmy Dean's like frittata sandwich. So it doesn't have bread. Like the bread is made out of like eggs and broccoli, and then it has like a chicken sausage with like cheese. So it's only about like 6 or 7 net carbs. I'm not exactly sure. It's not the best breakfast, but compared to what was in my house, I had rice and pork and like stuff that's not keto friendly. So that was really the only option I had, and it's not too bad. But if you're in a time crunch or if you don't really have anything on hand, those are pretty good to just have in your freezer to eat when you're on the go. But yeah, so I had that for breakfast with my coffee as usual. Today we are gonna go for a walk. We are gonna do some kind of activity. We need to lose some lbs, so we're gonna do some activity today. We're gonna go for a walk, perhaps do some squats. Arya's not letting me film. She's just all over the place. So I will catch you guys on our walk. Hi guys, we are up for our walk, enjoying the nice day. It's nice and sunny with like a little bit of breeze, so it's not like too hot here in Miami. But yeah, getting our walk in. Got some water. Don't forget to hydrate. I'm actually really bad at water. I like never drink water. I never drink anything. Like I just don't get thirsty that often. So I really need to work on drinking more water, and everybody should work on drinking more water. It really helps with the weight loss. I just forget. But yeah, Arya's out here. Say hi, Sushi. Say hi. She's enjoying her walk. Happy Thursday. It is the day before weigh-in. It's actually like 6:15 at night. It's super late. I haven't vlogged today at all because I didn't really do much. But besides showing you what I had for breakfast, I'm just kind of feeling like blah. Kind of like I feel like stuffed, like I'm not hungry at 6 o'clock and I'm not hungry. I mean, I did have a really big breakfast, but I don't know, I just don't really feel hungry. I don't want to eat dinner, so I'm just listening to my body. If I'm not hungry, I shouldn't eat. I'm just drinking a lot of water. I don't know why. I'm really thirsty. So I'm leaving my house now because I'm going to my best friend's niece's birthday party. Well, it's not really a birthday party. It's just like they're cutting her a cake. So that's why I have like a little bit of makeup on and I'm kind of like more presentable than usual. So I'm gonna go over there, take Arya, and yeah, and then just hopefully skinny vibes, not skinny vibes, but healthy vibes for tomorrow's weigh. And hopefully we lost some of the weight that we gained, because that was like no joke. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Hi guys, happy weigh-in day. So it's a little bit late in the afternoon this Friday, but I needed to come on here and film this outro and let you guys know that we lost the 7 pounds. Like, I don't know how it's even possible, because it literally took me what, 5 days, because I started Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, so like 4 days to lose 7 pounds. Like, that is crazy. I will show you my stats right here. I'm down to 157, which was the weight that I was on about October 19th, I think it was. I did film, that was when like I was vlogging and all that, but didn't get a chance to edit that footage Then I wanted to compile it to the next week, but the next week I gained a pound. So I was literally like yo-yoing everywhere those last 2 weeks. But we are back down to my lowest, which is 157. I'm so excited that I lost those 7 pounds, and it only kickstarts me and gives me more motivation to keep going until Thanksgiving, because you already know on Thanksgiving I'm gonna have myself some mac and cheese, some stuffing, some cornbread, like all that Thanksgiving good stuff. I really want to be good because I want to lose maybe 2 or 3 more pounds before Thanksgiving. Maybe get down to like 155, 154. I would love to get down to like 150, but losing another 7 pounds by Thanksgiving is probably unrealistic. But that would be freaking awesome if I was like 150 by Thanksgiving. But that's just like a little bit crazy. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We have to take things like one day at a time. So let's just be happy that we lost the weight that we gained. So I know that like throughout the entire week I wasn't feeling my best. I did go walking about 3 times this week, but I know that I wasn't on my A game. I don't know, I just felt like a little weird. So I'm happy that the scale reflected a change. I just need to keep pushing, keep going, because I'm not feeling that I'm like losing anything. I don't know. Either way, let's just be happy for this accomplishment. Let's be happy that we lost the weight that we gained. Super excited for this accomplishment this week. Hopefully next week we will kill another 2 or 3 pounds. Oh, I'm hoping, because this weekend I am sticking to my diet. As you guys are going to see in next week's vlog, I'm going to stick to my diet and continue my walks and maybe incorporate some squats, do something to get more active as well. I know I say that in every video, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, I did want to mention in this video, my fiance Caesar, he opened an Instagram account. It's called Keto with Bay. I'll put like his information right there, and he's also doing the keto diet with me. I've been doing it a little longer than he has, but he joined in a couple of months ago, I believe, and he's already lost 30 pounds. But he is a guy, he loses weight so much faster than I do. So like he's been doing it less than me and has lost the same amount of weight I have. Granted, he was heavier, so he had more weight to lose than I did, but still. So he has a new Instagram and he's putting all things keto. Most of the stuff that like if I cook for dinner, like he'll post it. He's posting workouts. He is just, you know, doing the keto thing, and I'm super happy for him and I'm super proud of him. So shameless plug, go follow him for all things keto. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to see when I post my next video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.